In Texas, how will your debt be split? Here are 3 key points you should know when it comes to splitting debts and liabilities. Number 1, Texas is a community property state. That means both spouses are liable for all debts accumulated during the marriage, regardless of who actually incurred the debt. Number 2, Texas does not recognize legal separation. Generally speaking, it does not matter when and if you and your spouse have separated. All marital debt includes any debt incurred after a divorce case has started and before it is completed. Number 3, some debts are not marital debts. There is always an argument that certain debts should not be marital debt. For instance, if there is a cheating spouse and that spouse purchases a lavish gift for their paramour, the innocent spouse should not have to take on such debt. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free kit to do your own divorce, please check the description box below to sign up.